Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I've got this really nice Passat estate for you. It's a 68 plate. Really nice, this one, with its 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got full LED headlights on this one as well. So the little button that you have to press in the driver's door, that just releases the boot for you. I'll show you the boot. It's absolutely huge in this car, as you can imagine. You've got your mats in there. Obviously we'll give it a really nice clean for you before you get it. So got good spare wheel in there in case you need it. And there's a grab handle to shut the boot as well. You get 2 years warranty on this car and 2 years breakdown assistance. So you've got a lot of peace of mind. We do a full 142 point check on this car to make sure that it's up to Volkswagen standard and make sure that it's nice and reliable for you. It's only done 16,610 miles, hardly any at all. We've got DAB radio on this one, got heated seats as well and dual zone climate control. Really, really useful. As well as your Apple CarPlay. You've got a nice clock on it, that really nice feature to have. It looks really classy and you get your silver satin trim as well. All really premium and nice in this Passat. Plenty of space in the back as well. 3 adults can fit there perfectly comfortably. You've got your control unit here with your sunglasses holder and your light controls here. And you've got your sun visors with the light and obviously your glove box as well. Really handy. And all of this is for $22,495. Just take you for a little look outside the car. We'll give it a nice clean for you. You've got front and rear parking sensors on this. Full 142 point check and your 2 years warranty. You've got plenty of space for dogs or going camping, things like that. Really practical family car. If you have any questions about a Part X that you might be thinking about or finance, then please do not hesitate to ask us. We have flexible financial options here at Lancaster Volkswagen. We'll look forward to hearing back from you soon.